Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So what you will need is some beads, that's optional, scissors, one pack of braided hair. You're going to need some soft thread hair. Okay, I've already separated the hair already. Get a crochet needle. Alright, so let me show you guys what the soft thread hair looks like. Alright, this is what it looks like. Alright, so all you have to do is cut it like this, and then you're going to cut it again in fours. Okay, so your hair should be looking like this. Hold on. Okay, okay. Make sure that you cut it evenly. Then you're going to separate the hair in fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I'm using the color number 4 of braiding hair. Alright, so this is how much it has. Alright, so I already took some hair out. And what I'm going to do is cut the hair in the middle. And what I'm going to do is just feather the ends. Alright, so what you're going to do is put your hair up in a ponytail, put it in a bun, braid your natural hair, put a couple of rubber bands on your bun. Then you're going to take a little piece of hair out. Okay, then you're going to put a rubber band on each side, and I had used one rubber band too. Okay, alright, so what I'm going to do is just take this much then you're going to start braiding.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game.
Make it thin or medium size, but don't make it large now when you braid. And make sure that the hair is the same size. So you put the braided, the braided hair on top of your little ponytail. And you're going to twist under. Then you make your natural hair the third piece of hair. Okay, so always make sure that both braids are the same size. Okay, so you see that these two is short and this is long. All you have to do is just take a little piece of this here and just put it on the other side and keep on braiding. Crochet needle, start your hair. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. Let me show you guys the hairstyle. Okay, print. Alright, so this hairstyle took me 2 hours to do this. And make sure you get a crochet needle. Okay, and I had got this off of Amazon and it was on sale too. Now I had used the color number 4 of the soft dread and I forgot the color of this one, okay? But I will let you guys know, okay? Peace out.